10 financial red flags in your 20s. They say your 20s are for figuring life out, but what they don't tell you is one wrong financial move now can cost you years later. No one teaches this in school, and by the time you figure it out, you're already buried under debt, stress, and regret. So today, let's break the silence. These are the 10 financial red flags most people ignore in their 20s until it's too late. Stick around till the end, because number 10, it's the one that traps even the smartest people. 1. Lifestyle inflation. You finally start earning your own money, and the urge to treat yourself is real. Lifestyle inflation, it's a silent killer. New phone, weekend parties, a dozen subscriptions, Ubers everywhere. Suddenly, you're living paycheck to paycheck, not because you're underpaid, but because you're overliving. Solution: track every dollar, build a budget, and if you want luxury, let it be a reward, not a reflex. 2. Thinking credit cards equals free money. Swipe now, stress later. That's the lie we're sold. You think you're building credit, but really, you're building a trap. Interest rates up to 30 to 40% a year. Minimum payments that never end. Solution: if you can't pay it off in full each month, don't swipe it. Use credit as a tool, not a crutch. 3. Not saving at all. I'll save later, once I earn more. That's the most expensive sentence you'll ever believe. Saving $100 in your 20s is worth more than saving $1,000 in your 40s. Why? Compound interest. Solution: start small. Automate it. Even $10 a month matters, because the earlier you start, the less you'll need later. 4. No emergency fund. One broken phone, one medical bill, one layoff. That's all it takes to derail your entire life. Most people don't plan for emergencies until they're already in one. Solution: save at least 3 months of your basic expenses. This isn't luxury, it's survival. 5. Ignoring insurance. Insurance seems boring until you're staring at a hospital bill bigger than your paycheck. One accident, and you're not just in pain, you're in debt. Solution: get health insurance, even a basic plan. Because medical debt, it doesn't care how old you are. 6. No financial goals. You're earning, you're spending, but where is your money going? Without goals, your money disappears. One pizza, one impulse buy at a time. Solution: write down your goals. Travel, a house, freedom. Let your money work for something, not just vanish. 7. Investing too late. Most people start investing at 30. By then, they've already missed a decade of growth. Want to see the cost of delay? Start investing $100 a month at 25, $500K by 60. Start at 35, you'll barely hit $200. Solution: start now, even $20 a month into an index fund. Time is your superpower, don't waste it. 8. Comparing your money journey. Your friend just bought a car, another's on vacation, and you're wondering, am I falling behind? Social media shows highlights, not credit card statements. Solution: unfollow the noise, follow your plan. Progress in silence, your future self will thank you. 9. Avoiding financial education. We spend hours binging shows, scrolling reels, but zero time learning how money works. No one's coming to save you, not your job, not your parents, it's on you. Solution: make learning money fun. Watch videos, read books, 15 minutes a day, and you'll outsmart 95% of people. 10. Not seeing money as freedom. The biggest red flag of all? You treat money like stress, not strategy. But money isn't the goal, it's the vehicle. To travel, to take care of your parents, to quit that job you hate. Final truth: you don't want millions in the bank. You want options. You want freedom. These red flags are warnings, not life sentences. And if you're watching this, you're already ahead. Now take the next step. Watch this next. Never have I ever understood taxes, because protecting your money is just as important as growing it. Hit subscribe, because in the Moneyverse, your wallet is your weapon.